Okay, good day, grade 10. How are you today? So, what we are going to discuss today is all about the topic permutation versus combination. So, we are going to differentiate permutation from combination of n objects taken r at a time. So, ano ba ang pagkakaiba ng permutation sa combination? Paano natin madidetermine if the given situation, task, or problem kung siya ba ay permutation or kung yung bang problem, task, or situation ay combination. So, let us have the discussion of this. Okay. So, let us first differentiate permutation versus combination. So, in permutation, the order or arrangement of items of object is important, while in combination, the order of items or object is not important. So, malinaw na sinabi dito ang pagkakaiba ng permutation at saka ng combination. So, if the order of arrangement of items or objects is important, then permutation. Sabihin, nangangailangan ng pag-arrange. Bawa, first, second, and third. So, meron tayong certain positions na given in order to arrange. So, arrangement does matter in that case. So, yun ay permutation. Pero pag sinabi natin combination, the order of items or object is not important. So, kung pipili ka lang ng tatlo na hindi mo naman kailangang i-arrange kung sino yung first, second, and third. So, you just select 3. So, the order of items or object is not important. So, siya ay magiging combination. So, kung nag-arrange ka ng item, yung ordering of arrangement, permutation. Pero kung hindi naman nangangailangan ng order of arrangement, hindi siya magiging combination unless siya ay hindi siya magiging permutation unless siya ay magiging combination. So, that's the difference between permutations and combination. So, let's continue. So, magbigay tayo ng mga examples on how to determine if the following situations represent permutation or combination. So, for letter A, so it states that choosing 3 students from 10 students in a class who will represent the math, science, and English contest. So, ano ba itong situation na ito? Ito ba ay nag-illustrate ng permutation or combination? So, if we're going to analyze based on the difference between permutations and combination, the given situation in A, this one, sabi dyan, after the 3 students are chosen, so pipili tayong 3 estudyante, each one of them will be assigned as a contestant in math, science, and English. So, in that case, kasi after mong pumili ng 3, mag-a-assign ka sa kanilang 3 kung sino ang magiging contestant mo sa science, sino magiging contestant mo sa math, sino magiging contestant mo sa English. Ibig sabihin, arrangement of the contestant is important. So, this situation is permutation. So, i-arrange mo yung 3 mong napili kung sino sa kanila ang magre-represent ng math, science, and English para sa contest. So, arrangement is important. For letter A, again, this is permutation. So, let's have the next example. Okay, B. Selecting 10 students from 25 students who audition to join the school dance club. So, for this situation, the order of selecting the 10 students is not important. So, not important. Why? Hindi daw importante ang order of selecting. So, ibig sabihin, pipili ka lang in any order. Selecting or order of selecting is not important. as all of them will be the members of the dance club. Kasi after mo naman piliin yung 10, lahat sila ay magiging members na ng dance club. So, arrangement is not important. So, ibig sabihin, yung letter B natin ay combination. So, you just select 10 from 25 who audition to join the school dance club. So, hindi natin kailangang i-arrange o order of arrangement is not important. So, this is combination. So, let's proceed to letter C example. Choosing 12 songs from Spotify to be played at a birthday party. So, choosing 12 songs from Spotify to be played at a birthday party. So, ito kaya ay permutation o siya pa kaya ay magiging combination. So, if you're going to analyze, after choosing 12 songs from Spotify, they will be lined up for playing at a birthday party. So, nakapili ka na ng 12 songs, ipi-play mo siya. So, kailangan mong alamin ano ang una mong ipi-play, ano ang sunod uli, ano ang panghuli. So, meaning, the arrangement is important. Thus, it is a permutation. Pero kung hindi mo naman kailangang i-play, ang sabi lang ay just choose 12 songs from Spotify, di siya ay combination. Pero dahil after mo pumili ng 12 songs, you're going to play those songs at a birthday party. So, may arrangement na magaganap. So, alin ang unang ipi-play, alin ang sunod, next, at alin ang mahuhuling ipi-play. So, nagkaroon na ng arrangement does matter na for letter C. So, for letter C, this is permutation. Next, letter D. Choosing 3 distinct flavors of ice cream from 6 flavors and placing them on an ice cream cone. Okay. Ito kayang situation sa letter D ay magiging permutation or combination. So, let us analyze. The order of the 3 ice cream flavor is not important as all the flavors will be put in the ice cream cone. So, order is not important kasi lahat naman sila, yung mapili mong 3 flavor, ilalagay naman sa ice cream cone. So, the arrangement is not important. Therefore, yung situation natin sa letter D ay magiging combination. Hindi siya magiging permutation. Hindi mo naman kailangang ang magtitinda naman ng ice cream o kaya ay kung ikaw yung bibili, hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin, ang first layer ay ganito, second layer ay ganito, third layer ay ganito. Wala namang ganung nagaganap. Basta pumili ka lang ng 3 flavors of ice cream and then lahat yung ilalagay naman sa ice cream cone. So, order of arrangement is not important for letter D. Therefore, this is combination. Okay, malinaw yung mga examples natin kung kailan permutation, kailan combination. Still, hindi pa rin tayo nawawala sa definition ng kung ano ang permutation at definition kung ano ang combination. So, if the order of arrangement is important, order of selecting is important, permutation siya. Kung hindi naman natin kailangan ang order of arrangement, pipili ka lang naman, combination siya. Okay. So, let's have the next. Again, you have to answer 3 activities of the module based on the difference between combination and permutation. So, for activity number 1, you are just going to identify in the given situation which order of arrangement is important and which is not important. So, if the order of arrangement is important, you are going to write yes. But if it is not important, you are going to write no. Again, if order of arrangement is important, you will answer this as yes. But if the order of arrangement is not important, your answer will be no. So you read and analyze each given situation so that you can answer this correctly. Next, activity number 2. So for activity number 2, again, we have here 5 situations. What you are going to do is to identify which situations illustrates permutation and which illustrate combination. So if it illustrates permutation, you are going to write capital letter P. And if it illustrates combination, you are going to write capital letter C. So again, mag-base pa rin tayo ulit sa definition ng permutation and definition ng combination. Next, for activity number 3, this is what you are going to do. Determine whether the problem requires permutation or combination. So meron tayong 5 different problems here na ang kailangan mong gawin is to determine which of the following problem requires permutation or which of the following problem requires combination. So, yun pa rin. Ang basis natin pa rin, definition ng permutation at saka ng combination. So, basahin mabuti yung mga sumusunod na problem at i-analyze na mabuti. Kung nag-i-illustrate pa siya ng permutation, sabihin order of arrangement is important. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan yung order of arrangement, siya ay magiging combination. So, mag-base lang tayo doon para masagot ninyo ng tama ang mga sumusunod na activities. So, that's all for week 4 for the difference between combination and permutation.